Okay, Steve. I believe this is yours. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to try and do this with a rake. I don't know if it'll work. And there she blows. That's one. Should be a second burst coming in. There she goes. That, my friend, is the LiPo battery. Pretty good, huh? Not bad. So Steve stopped buying these cheapo batteries. In fact, it did not go off. Look, the second one. It's still in there. I think. I guess it did. That's the cell that was bad. There she goes. That's the other part of it. I knew I was being cheated. Look at the smoke. Uh-oh, we have a fire. There it is. One LiPo battery destroyed. Better back off a little bit there, Mr. Rick. That thing ain't done yet. Look at that. My Lord. That is one tough battery. Do a little rubby here. She's dead. I put a nice good scar in my yard for evidence, you know? No respect. Just can't get no respect these days. Jeez. Killing me. So, that is how to destroy a LiPo battery.